Hi, I'm Ariana Bundy and I'm thrilled to be part of the Farhang Flavor Series. And as always, thank you Farhang Foundation for all your efforts in promoting our food and culture. Today I'll be making Fesenjoon, which is the mother of all Persian stews. And you know you're a special guest when you go to someone's house and they've made you Fesenjoon because it's so lengthy to make. So today we'll be making a quick method vegan Fesenjoon with all those hearty flavors and the sweet and sour notes, but without the meat. So let's see what ingredients we need. So we've got our onion and our pomegranate molasses, pomegranate juice, olive oil, a little bit of lavoshag, which is optional, and yellow plums, dried yellow plums, and then turmeric, sugar, a little bit of cinnamon. And here is what's really interesting, is that you don't have to take your walnuts, grind them and roast them, or your almonds, as they did in the Qajar courts. You can just have a jar of nut butter, and the nut butter is gonna do all that work for you. And then we will choose some vegetables. You know, any vegetable that you like that's in your fridge, you can use. I really like mushrooms and sweet potatoes, beans, broccoli, a pumpkin. You know, these add bites. You can have different types of like fancier mushrooms if you want, and that's just gonna give you so much depth. This gorgeous vessel is a gamaj from the Gilan province of Iran near the Caspian Sea. It's gorgeous, isn't it? But you don't have to use this, obviously. You can use a heavy pot. Just gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Not too much, because you have the nut butter. And just fry your onions until golden. I'm gonna lower the heat a little bit on this. Just saute until golden, and then you've got your vegetables, your mushrooms, and your medley of vegetables. Use whatever you like. And a little bit of turmeric, full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. And I've got some almond butter straight from the store. You can also use walnut butter, whatever you like. You know, in the Qajar royal courts, they used to use almond for their Fesenjoon. You can also use hazelnut butter. And this is gonna cut your cooking time by like in half, I would say. Now that I've added my nut butter, I'm gonna go ahead and add some fresh pomegranate juice. And pomegranate paste. You will need all of that pomegranate paste. May look a little gloopy, but the vegetables are going to give off some liquid. However, I'm still going to add a little bit of water, not too much. I'm going to add some lavoshag and some yellow plums. Not obligatory, but still gonna give a lot of tastiness to this Fesenjoon. Remember, the vegetables are gonna give off some juice. You're gonna put the lid on it and you're gonna cook it slowly for about 20 to 30 minutes. So our Fesenjoon is ready. It typically uses duck or chicken, but like most Persian stews, it can be made with vegetables. You can add tempeh or tofu, and it still has protein and carbs and fat from the nut butter and turmeric and pomegranate, which are full of antioxidants. It's keto, it's paleo, it's vegan, yet it tastes just like traditional Fesenjoon. I've made a saffron rice with tahdig. Customary gold leaf on the Fesenjoon. And if it was pomegranate season, I would put pomegranates, but we don't have any. Some cauliflower polo. Okay, a bigger bite. Mmm. 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 So good.